Fab Gals, how many of you are feeling anxious about looking good on video calls? Yes, I hear you. Whether you're speaking to your family, whether you're having to do business, whether you're wanting just to connect with friends and family, come on girls, we want to look good doing it, right? We don't all just want to look like we're laying around in our sweats, even if we are. So ladies, I am going to bring you a workshop that will help you to look and feel fabulous and confident on video call, no matter what camera you're using. Whether it be your cell phone or your laptop or your computer, I'm gonna help you look good. So I'm going to give you tips on how to get your background looking good, how to work with lighting even when it's dark, because sometimes it really is, how to deal with lighting when you don't have professional lights. You know, there are tips and tricks that you can do. Also, how to kind of get your hair looking good in a few seconds just before you go on. Also, how you put on makeup that can make you look fabulous and not washed out and not really older than you are. Also, the angle of the camera. There are angles that will surely help for you to look better. All these tips and tricks, ladies, I'm going to teach you how to do this. So, this workshop is exclusive to my insiders list, the Tracy Gold insiders list. So if you'd like to join, feel free to. It's free. You can just go onto my website, tracygoldfashiontips.com. There's a pop-up, and if you miss that, just scroll further down onto the homepage, and there is an option for you to join. I would love to have you part of that. Then, ladies, you want to register for this workshop. The details will be in the description below. So what's going to be great is that we're going to do it on Zoom. It's online and we can see each other. So I want you to come as you would normally do a video call, and then I'm going to give you some tips on how you can tweak it, and then we're going to give each other feedback. This is going to be fun, ladies. It's nothing intimidating, and it's a really great way for us to connect with each other as women. Ladies, I believe that this time is giving us an opportunity to connect in a way than never before, to learn from one another, to grow our skills, and hey, bonus, we're getting au fait with technology. Isn't that fantastic? Technology can be a good thing. So ladies, I look forward to connecting with you, to teaching you, to learning from you, and to have some fun doing it.